We purchased 5 of the most popular cat beds on the market and enlisted a cadre of finicky feline testers to help our team of experts find the best option for your own kitty. We spent weeks observing how cats of every size, shape, and personality type reacted to each one of these beds. We also carefully considered our own human impressions of each bed with a particular focus on aesthetics and ease of cleaning. While the inherent inscrutability of our 4-legged companions prevents us from being sure that your kitty will love one of our beds, we do think our in-depth review will up your chances of pleasing your furry roommate. A furry friend helps make for a happier home. And we have our fair share among us here at GearLab. Our experts have tested some of the best pet products. There are numerous options for cheap best cat bed, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best cat bed from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. MEOWFIA Premium Felt Cave. The MEOWFIA Premium Felt Cave is probably one of the most environmentally and socially conscious pet beds out there. The 100% merino wool fibers are purported by MEOWFIA as being fair trade and sustainably sourced. Those natural fibers have the added benefit of being both naturally antimicrobial and odor resistant. We can attest to the magic of merino, both from our cat bed testing and from multiple backpacking trips completed wearing a single merino wool t-shirt the entire time. In our experience, merino refuses to smell bad. As much as we love the idea of this bed, our cats just didn't. No matter how much we endorsed the environmental and social bona fides of this bed to our cats, they remained unmoved. The lack of plush padding, relatively small size, and absence of a heating pad left this bed largely ignored in our testing. If your cat happens to espouse a strict set of environmental ethics. Number 2. Tempcore Cat Bed. In our tests, the Tempcore Cat Bed provided the most cat snores per dollar, garnering strong preferences from multiple cats. Despite its low price, the donut shape allowed our cats to easily get cozy, and the fuzzy lining is plush enough to be comfy yet coarse enough to prevent matting or problematic hair accumulation. When that lining does manage to get dirty, the entire bed is machine washable. While the lining of the Tempcore Cat Bed mostly repelled hair accumulation in our tests, there were some pockets that hung onto hair, even after going through the washing machine. Also, though our cats seemed to find this bed very cozy, it didn't appear to provide as much warmth as some of the heated and/or plusher beds available, as many of our cats showed preference towards these other beds on colder mornings. Overall, number 3. K&H Pet Products Thermo-Kitty Mat. There's a certain type of cat that is constantly seeking out the warmest spot in the house. If your pet falls into this category, we think the K&H Pet Products Thermo-Kitty Mat is one of the most reasonably priced ways to make their life just a bit comfier. This simple mat can easily add a dose of warmth to your kitty's favorite spot, allowing for even more lounging enjoyment. It's also a cheap and easy way to add a bastion of warmth for your pet on those winter days when you're not home and want to turn the heat down. To top it all off, the cover is machine washable, making it easy to keep the bed fresh and clean. This bed lacks any sides, meaning it is better suited to cats that like to sprawl as they sleep, or to being added to a spot that your cat already favors. If you're looking for a standalone bed that can entice your cat to sleep in a different area. Number 4. Long Rich Reversible Rectangle. If you have 2 cats that are friendly with one another, the Long Rich Reversible Rectangle may be a good option. This larger than average bed is easily able to accommodate 2 snuggling kitties. The walls around the side allowed our cats to burrow and get comfy with ease, whether sleeping alone or with a buddy. It also features some plush fuzz that is lofty enough to be cozy, but not so much so that it can get matted down. When the bed does get dirty, it is completely machine washable. Like many of the beds we tested, the Long Rich Reversible Rectangle. Number 5. Best Friends by Sheri Calming Donut. The luxurious fluff of the Best Friends by Sheri Calming Donut is so warm and inviting that we wanted to bury our faces in it. But our cats always beat us to the punch. If your cat is one that likes to wriggle around and burrow into whatever surface they're relaxing on, we think they'll love this bed. Our cats consistently snuggled into this bed so hard that it was hard to tell where the bed ended and the cat began. The bed itself is completely machine washable, and the sheer fluff seemed to satisfy our cat's search for warmth, despite the lack of an electric heating element. Though a trip through the washing machine can get this bed relatively clean, the fibers still hang onto hair. Additionally, those fibers can get matted if the bed isn't washed enough or dried adequately. We also have some slight concerns about this bed's longevity. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.